Do you look for reviews and ratings before buying any product online? Do you also want to see the images before every purchase? Hello everyone, I am Neha Janoti, a Salesforce developer at Webcool Software Private Limited. Today, I am going to show you how to configure reviews and rating functionality in Wedge Commerce. After entering our application page, you need to go to the Setting tabs and look for Reviews and Rating settings. I have not enabled for this, so it is none, and you are given an option to choose between the registered user or who bought the product for enabling customer reviews. I will go for registered users. Then we have given you multiple options like displaying rating on star or progress bar. I will go with stars. You want the reviews to be auto published? Enable. You want users to upload the images? Yes. And how many images that you want the user to be a limit with? I have entered 3. And maximum size. So the size has to be between 1 to 3000 KB. So I have entered 2500. So saving it. And after that, you need to create a dynamic tab for the product you want to enable review rating for. So I will go with the jumpsuit product. I will edit it. I have already created a tab, but I will show you how you can create a one. So you will go to the last section where it is written create dynamic tab. As you can see, you will be provided with an option where you need to enter the name and then add a description to it. For reviews and rating, I have given the name of review rating and enter the component name. This is the component name that you need to enter. After that, you can save the configuration and then go to the experience builder for enabling the setting. You need to look for product detail page in the builder. And from there, you need to enable a checkbox that says displays rating, that is under community app to cart pop-up. After that, you need to publish the site and then we'll go to the site, our application site. So as we did for the jumpsuit product, so I will enter a review over here. As you can see, there is a section tab for review rating. There is no review earlier, so I will be the first one to review it. I have created it and I will upload an image and then submit the review. As you can see, this is given. As I did the setting for the registered users, it gave me an option. Now I will change the setting. So earlier it was registered user, now it has to be who bought it, and I will change even the setting for the progress bar. Saving it. As I already bought this product, I will still have access to review the product. As you can see, the star rating is being changed to the progress bar. Now I will log out from the registered user. This is the product we had rating for, and As you can see, I changed the setting to who bought the product. That's why it asks us to log in first, and then we'll check whether you have purchased this order earlier or not. So I hope this video was beneficial for your business, and do like and share your reviews in the comment section. If you have any concern or query, please feel free to connect with us at support@webcool.com. Thanks for watching.